Hi, I'm Kevin Long from justmeans.com. I'm at the Biopolymers Symposium Conference. Here with me is Derek Campbell from Brooks Sports. How you doing?
Great.
Derek, I was having a little chat with Derek here, and Derek, I gotta let you know, I used to be a semi-pro runner in my own mind in high school, used Brooks shoes for years and years and years, and are you gonna try and win me back to buying a Brooks shoes again?
Absolutely.
All right, so tell me about, what are you doing there as sustainability?
So we're here at the Biopolymers Conference because we really wanted to talk to folks about the feedstock, the sources of the materials that go into our products.
Okay.
And how do we change that over from petroleum-based feedstocks into bio-based feedstocks that have a better greenhouse gas footprint.
Okay, so you're looking at the material you're using. Can you talk a little bit about the material, and then, you know, other shoe companies are looking at material as well. What else are you doing?
Sure. One of the areas we've focused really heavily on is what happens to the product after you use it, and how do you actually improve that end-of-life scenario and make more of a cradle-to-cradle loop out of your product. So we've really focused on trying to help especially our midsoles and our cushioning break down faster once they've been discarded, so not during use, but after their use. And
because you actually have to make a shoe. I mean, your struggle is, you know, it has to be a shoe that lasts. No one wants to get a running shoe and a month later they need a new shoe.
That's the engineering challenge. That's why we really put a lot of effort and time into not just the upfront engineering of making sure that it works, but long-term durability testing with a lot of our wear testers that put a lot of miles on the shoe. We absolutely don't want it to fall apart.
What are you actually doing with the foam part of the shoes? What's the difference?
Sure, we've actually developed and engineered an additive for our foams that doesn't affect the longevity of the shoe, and it doesn't affect the performance for cushioning. What it does is it makes actually the shoe break down after you throw it away much quicker than it used to.
Okay, so I run with the shoes, semi-pro in my own mind, so I go through these really quick. I'm then done with the shoe. I'm going to throw it away. Is that my only option?
Absolutely not. One of the things that we really believe is reusing our products after that initial use. So the primary use of a shoe...
My little brother will not take my hand-me-downs anymore. That's the problem.
The great news is there's a lot of organizations out there. One of the ones that we support heavily is called Soles for Souls.
Okay.
And they collect shoes, running shoes especially, and they get them out to folks that really need them all around the world. So there's a great source for you to contribute to.
Okay. So Derek, tell the Just Means community, if they want to find out more information about Brooks Sports, what you're doing there, sustainability, how you're giving back, where do they go?
Go to www.brooksrunning.com and go especially and visit our green room there.
The green room. I'm going to check it out. I might buy my next pair from you.
Excellent. I hope you do.
All right. Thanks so much. This is Kevin Long from justmeans.com.